Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonfida. On a weekly time frame chart, recently Bonfida has broken out a very huge falling wedge pattern. You can see it was moving inside this wedge since after November 2021 when we found this resistance here. And you can see we got several ejections and several bounces from the support as well. And recently, almost 2 weeks ago, that we can see that we have broken out the resistance, and now it is possible that the next move will be imminent up to the next resistance somewhere here at 28 cents. And we will also take a look at the targets for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Bonfida that I shared a few hours ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member, as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bonfida, and that is a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that Bonfida has formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line has geared up, and I'm expecting that soon it will start a very big pump from here. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern on 7th of January 2023 that was also formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very nice move. First, it dropped down inside this buying zone. Then we had a very massive rally that was almost 80% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bonfida. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that since after November 2021, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. You can see we got several ejections here. Then we had 2 or 3 touch points here at the support. Then we had a nice bounce. Then we had another nice bounce here. And then price line got rejected by the resistance here. And then we got several ejections. And finally, after getting bounced from the support of this falling wedge pattern, price line has broken out the resistance of this wedge here. By the way, here we have found a quite firm and long-term support at 14 cents. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after testing this support for several days, the price line has finally geared up and broke out the resistance of this wedge. And now the next major resistance, that is a complete resistance zone, by the way, that starts from 28 cents and goes to 35 cents. You can see, let me to highlight this area so it will be easy for you to understand. You can see whenever the price end was moving down inside this support zone, it was getting bounced here and here as well and here as well. And after this breakout, you can see a breakdown. You can see that we got rejected by this resistance zone. Therefore, again, we need to break it out even after breaking out this wedge in order to continue this rally to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.